Learn English episode 35. Fly, FLY, fly म्हणजे उडणे. Swim, SWIM, swim म्हणजे पोहणे. Climb, CLIMB, climb म्हणजे चढणे. Sleep, SLEEP, sleep म्हणजे झोपणे. Eat, eat म्हणजे खाणे. Run, RUN, run म्हणजे धावणे. Jump, JUMP, म्हणजे उड्या मारणे. Sing, SING म्हणजे गाणे. Cook, COOK म्हणजे स्वयंपाक करणे. Cook म्हणजे स्वयंपाक करणे. Run, RUN म्हणजे धावणे. Eat म्हणजे खाणे. Jump, JUMP म्हणजे उड्या मारणे. Sing, SING म्हणजे गाणे. Cook, Sing, SING म्हणजे Eat, eat म्हणजे खाणे. Jump, JUMP म्हणजे उड्या मारणे. School, SCHOOL, स्कूल म्हणजे शाळा.
थोडा अलीकडे या.
SING म्हणजे गाणे. Cook, COOK म्हणजे स्वयंपाक करणे. Eat म्हणजे खाणे. Swim, SWIM म्हणजे पोहणे. Play, PLAY म्हणजे खेळणे. Clap, CLAP म्हणजे टाळ्या वाजवणे. Cook, cook म्हणजे स्वयंपाक बनवणे. PLAY, play म्हणजे खेळणे. Clap, clap म्हणजे टाळ्या वाजवणे. Jump, JUMP म्हणजे उड्या मारणे. Learn English episode 35. I can dance. She can dance. I can run.
He can run.
He can jump. I can swim. He can swim. I can clap. He can clap. I can swim. He can swim. I can jump. She can jump. I can eat. He can eat. I can play. He can play. I can run. She can run.
I can
Jump.
jump.
I can jump.
She can jump.
He can jump.
Jump.
She can jump. I can play. She can play. I can read English. She can read English. I can make tea. She can make tea. I can dance. She can dance. I can walk. She can walk. I can dance. She can dance. I can clap. She can kiss. She can run. I can cook. She can cook. I can sing. She can sing. I can draw the picture.
She can
Draw
the picture.
I can clap. She can clap. Thank you. I can't read Punjabi. I can fly.
I can't fly.
I can't swim. I can't read. I can't cook. I can read Marathi. I can't swim. I can't fly. I can cook. I can swim. I can swim. I can't cook. I can eat. I can water. I can't climb a tree. I can't fly. I can swim. I can't